Okay, I just gotta say, I am absolutely amazed on how good the Epson 8550 truly is. All right, and I've been testing out a bunch of things, but it's not perfect by any means, and it's not horrible by any means. Okay, it fits right in that sweet spot. Let me show you what I mean. These are pictures I've printed, okay? With 1, 2, 3 was printed with this machine right here, right? That thing. What y'all see? All right. This thing right here, this, and this one was printed with that printer. That printer cost almost little over $3,000. Okay, damn near $4,000. All right. This was printed by the Epson 8550. These are the all same sheet of paper. All right. That was printed by the Epson 8550. That printer can't do borderless, and it's just a thing that printer can't do. It was never meant to do this, but at the same time, that thing has 10 inks in it, okay? And I couldn't find a good setting to print on. This is cardstock. The Epson 8550 handled it way better. Okay, look what this thing did. All right. I don't know what to say. All right, it just amazes me that the Epson 8550 can do that. Now, if I'd use a different sheet of paper, like a photo paper or matte luster or any other higher quality papers, yes, this would not come close to these prints. All right, as you can see, you can even see it in here, like the yellows. It's not as nice. Even though it's printed on these papers, the detail's a little bit nicer on here, but just how vibrant this is on the 8550 just blows it out of the water. I'm just amazed. That's just me. I'm just absolutely just how good the Epson 8550 is. $800 plus, say $1,000 after you buy all the inks. Yeah, I'm just Epson 8550 for the win.